Hardware and software. Computer hardware. Hardware is those physical devices of computer which we can see and touch. Printer. Printer is an output device which gives the output on a paper. The result is called hard copy or printout. Speaker. Speaker is an output device which gives the sound output. It is used to listen to sounds and music. Microphone. Microphone is an input device which is used to give sound input into the computer. It is used to record sounds and give instructions to the computer. Joystick. Joystick is a pointing input device which is used to play games on the computer. Scanner. Scanner is an input device which is used to store pictures and images into the computer system. The most popular type of scanner is flatbed scanner. Plotter. Plotter is an output device which is generally used by engineers and architects to get high-quality graphical outputs of pictures and photographs. Pen drive. Pen drive is a storage device which is used to store large amount of data externally. A pen drive is inserted into the USB port. Hard disk. Hard disk is a part of the CPU and stores all the software and data of the computer. Ports. Port is defined as a connection point between the computer and an external or internal device. Internal ports connect devices like hard drives and CD-ROM or DVD drives, whereas external ports connect devices like modem, mouse, printers, etc. USB cable. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It is the most common type of port. It is a cable connection interface which is used to connect peripheral devices to computer. UPS. It stands for Uninterruptible Power Supply. It is an electrical device which provides emergency power to the computer when the main power fails. It is used to protect the computer hardware from sudden loss of power. Computer software. Software is a program that makes the physical computer perform specific tasks. Software controls the operations and working of the computer. Operating system software. An operating system is system software that acts as an interface between computer hardware and the user, managing overall system activities. Common examples include Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux, which load when the computer is switched on. Booting. Have you ever noticed that when you switch on the computer it takes some time to get started? The reason behind it is that the computer takes some time to load the operating system in its memory. This process of loading is called booting. Every computer goes through the booting process. Utility software. To manage, maintain and control the computer resources, the operating system is supported by the utility software. To access utility programs in Windows 7, 1. Click on Start All Programs Accessories. 2. Under Accessories, click on System Tools. 3. List of utility programs will appear. Application software. Application software is a group of programs designed for the end users. Thus, they are also called end-user programs. This software is created for a specific purpose and performs coordinated functions and tasks for the benefit of user. Some application software commonly used are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Student Record Software, Railways Reservation Software, Microsoft Presentation, Microsoft Office Suite Software.